spicy fried chicken legs, a very simple and tasty recipe. Ingredients: pepper, about 15 to 20, 2 teaspoons of chili powder and a pinch of turmeric, ginger and garlic. Please do not use ginger garlic paste, and chicken legs. Make slit in the chicken. Now, the following ingredients which I have told you, I'm going to grind all these ingredients. Now I've grinded to a fine paste and I'm going to apply it on the chicken. Don't forget to put slit on the chicken legs. Now I have applied the paste and I'm going to keep it for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I have my oil ready and I'm going to fry them. Coat the chicken legs with any flour so the masala or paste will not separate from them while frying. So here it is. Hope you guys liked it and do try it and comment me. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.